Sewing machines and sergers. What's the difference? What do they really do, and do you need both? As the author of the Pocket Guide to Sergers and with 25 years of teaching experience, I have helped thousands of sewists, just like you, understand what the difference is between these two machines and also gain the confidence in using them both. Today, I'm going to break it all down so that you can clearly see how each one works and why you might need both. So let's get started. First up, what is a sewing machine? Well, to be honest, a sewing machine is an essential part of your sewing setup, and many sewing pros would also agree that it's the foundation of your sewing room. It's perfect for stitching seams, adding buttonholes, and creating those pretty little decorative stitches that we all love so much. What it does best is sewing straight stitches, and most machines can also handle a zigzag stitch. Sewing machines are incredibly versatile. They're great for projects like zipper bags and garments and home decor, like making pillows. They can work with most materials, from quilt cotton to medium weight denim. And in my humble opinion, it's the heart of every sewing room and the start of endless creativity. So now, what's a serger? Well, a serger is your secret weapon for professional-looking projects. While your sewing machine handles the construction, the serger trims and it stitches and it finishes your edges all in one swoop. Think of it this way. If your sewing machine is the stove in your kitchen, then the serger is the microwave. You can heat food up on the stove, right? Just like you can finish edges on a sewing machine. But a microwave, just like a serger, is so much better for heating things up quickly, and it gives you the results in no time at all. Have you ever noticed those neat, stretchy seams inside store-bought t-shirts? That's a serger at work. It's perfect for knit and stretchy fabrics because the seams move with the fabric instead of popping the stitches. And here's the best part. Sergers are fast. A sewing machine stitches, well, the average one stitches anywhere between 400 and 1,000 stitches a minute. But a serger, a serger can stitch so fast. Usually they start around 800 stitches a minute, going all the way up to 2,000 stitches a minute. Plus, it trims the edges as it sews, wrapping them with multiple threads, stretching the stitches, which creates a clean, polished finish that will not fray. And to be honest, once you try a serger, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. So, do you need both a sewing machine and a serger? Well, ultimately, that's going to be up to you. But after teaching for over 25 years, I can tell you this. Most of my students start with a sewing machine, then they add a serger, and then eventually they upgrade to the best machines that they can afford. Why? Because together, these two machines give you the best of both worlds. Precise construction and professional finishing. It's like having a chef's knife and a food processor in your kitchen. Sure, you can chop everything by hand with a knife, but a food processor, it just gets the job done faster and cleaner. And a serger does the same thing. It trims, stitches, and finishes those seams all at once, giving you the professional results that you really want in less time. So when you use both of the tools together, your projects just have that polished, store-bought look. And once you see the difference, I'm pretty sure you're going to never want to go back. Are you ready to find your perfect serger? Well, I have an easy-to-use serger buying checklist that's going to simplify your serger shopping experience. Just click the link in the description to download it now. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!